Welcome! I'm happy to introduce you to the solution providing job site emission-free electricity, the Milwaukee MX Fuel mobile power supply. Utilizing MX Fuel batteries, it can generate 3,600 watts of peak power with a continuous power output of 1,800 watts. It is now possible to operate an exhaust gas-free power source. So now you can use your core tools quickly and efficiently with minimal preparation time. The low noise level makes daily work much more pleasant and efficient. As no fumes are emitted, it can be used both indoors and outdoors. Now it is no longer necessary to waste time laying long cables to reach gasoline or diesel-powered aggregates. Energy is only consumed when the trigger on the tool is activated. Not only saving money, but also protecting the environment by eliminating idling time of standard units. The MX Fuel power supply makes everyday work easier. In comparison to other generators that have to be started with a cable, the supply is switched on and off by simply pressing a button. The supply has a continuous power output of 1,800 watts and a peak output of 3,600 watts for quick startup of tools that require a high starting current. It is compatible with any MX Fuel batteries, while it can run with just one battery with no loss of power. With two XC406 batteries, the runtime is doubled. The batteries are inserted at the top and the bottom of the unit and can easily be replaced once discharged. However, the unit comes with an AC plug and an integrated charger, so the batteries can be recharged in situ one after the other. Each battery status is shown on the LED display. The MX Fuel power supply has two sockets, which can run core tools simultaneously. Digitization plays a role on the construction site, and gasoline-powered generators often do not provide a pure sine wave, potentially damaging the electrics of many sensitive devices. To combat this, Milwaukee have equipped the power supply with a modified sine wave, so these devices can be charged or operated problem-free. As an added benefit, we have also included our one-key system, which provides the ability to track the power supply with community tracking and alerts, complete inventory management, and industry-leading smart equipment technology to secure the user's investment. With two XC406 batteries, the current maximum capacity is 864 watt-hours, which for most users will cover a complete working day. With the MX Fuel power supply, an angle grinder can cut more than 300 18mm rebars, and with a compressed air nailer, you can fire up to 1,276mm nails. Milwaukee now have a product added to the MX Fuel equipment system that eliminates trip hazards, expensive idling generators, and fossil fuel fumes. A versatile unit that can be used indoors or outdoors, runs quietly and safely, saves on setup times and maintenance costs, while providing excellent power output on demand and all-day runtime. The MX Fuel power supply does it all.